Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create automatic check-ins in Basecamp. All right, so first up, log into your Basecamp account and go ahead over to your project. And then once you're in here, go to the top right, click on three dots and click on Setup Tools. All right, scroll down and make sure that automatic check-ins is toggled on. Click on it. There you go. It is now available. So just go back to your project, scroll down, and here you have automatic check-ins. Click on it. Then go ahead and go to the top left, click on New Question. Now, automatic check-ins right here go out to your team on a regular basis. You can go ahead and set it up. It could be a daily, or it could be 3 times a week, or even weekly. You could go as far as monthly right here. Okay? Everyone in the project can see the responses. Automatic check-ins keep teams up to date. And also, it will help your users get to know each other better. Now, going back, go ahead and add in a question. For example, how many videos have you made today? Say, for example, you wanted this question to be answered every day. Okay? Tick all of these, Mondays to Fridays, and then once done, at what time of the day? It would be 4:30, okay? As most of us work 9 to 5s. So maybe at 4:30, they'll report to you. And then who do you want to ask? If you have a ton of members right here, you can go ahead and select all, deselect all, and pick one by one. All right. And then once done, just go ahead and click on Start Collecting Answers. Wait for it. And it says here, asking 2 people every weekday at 4:30 p.m. How many videos have you made today? Let's say I'm going to go ahead and answer this. I made 20. Post my answer. And again, do take note that every user in this project will be able to see your response, okay? Not including your client. But if you want to include your client to see the response right here, you can go ahead and go to the top left, click on Change, and allow the client to see this too. Once done, save changes. And after that, you can go ahead and go back to your project. And under Automatic Check-ins, here you have the question. Click on it. Here's your response. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.